sending out planes and bringing in planes. Not with the good stuff, but hey, maybe who knows, right? So, here you guys have it, left-hand side of the boat. Pablo Escobar sunken business plane, guys. A sunken drug plane, all right? Now, this plane is actually a DC-3 cargo plane, guys.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Took
That's
off
like
from
a single engine.
that airstrip runway in the year of 1985. This year was the ending result. Reason being, too much business. When this went down with over $260 million worth of contraband, all right? So 1985 was a very, very sad year for the world, guys. Parties got boring then. Now the pilots, they did survive the crash. They did not get to survive telling its owner, if you know what I mean. Hey to you, that just lost you a lot of money. So this right here is the front cockpit area of the plane. Right back there that we just passed was the pretty much right wing with the prop engine still intact. Over here is the left wing with the prop engine still intact. Now every year, Halloween, you have a boat that comes down here, like a sailboat, a family, they come down here and they put two skeletons on the inside. Every Halloween. So Aqua Shores, come on in the water, guys. Yeah.
Honey, come back over here, baby. Baby, stay over here so I can see you.